Hello friends, my name is Jenny and welcome to my channel, The Curly Q Scrapper. And today I am going to be sharing with you my collection that I'm going to be working with in the month of August. So I know it may sound, maybe not, it probably won't be so apparent to you, but it definitely feels like it for me. I have not been in my craft room very much. What feels like in several weeks, just because I've just been having some, like, I really haven't felt like scrapbooking, and you guys probably will not see too much of gaps just because of, you know, how I have scheduled the videos to come out. But anyway, I'll talk more about that later. Right now, I am looking at this loveliness. This is Plant Lady from Echo Park. And this was gifted to me by my friend Danya. Danya, sending you lots of love, always. And she gifted this to me, and I thought this was going to be perfect to be able to document our garden from this year. So this is the first year we have done a garden in this house since we've moved here. So let me just walk you through, and I haven't even looked at these papers, I think, since she gifted this to me. So really pretty indoor plants, and I actually have some indoor plants as well. I think I got some photos of them, but this is the same one. So there's beautiful green. Here are some cut aparts. I'm actually getting a little bit more into plants lately. Not that I'm buying up a storm or anything, just trying to maintain and just learn a little bit more about them. So this is the cut aparts. Here's the back. Really pretty. Trying not to kill them. And here's this beautiful stripe. This is really cute. And here's this one, and this beautiful, it's like a red orange. Here's some 4x6 cut aparts, really nice, and some others there. And these lovely plants on the windows, and then this check on with that same reddish orange. I definitely see myself bringing in maybe just a contrast. I'm just going to fan these out just to contrast some of these colors. You can definitely see bringing in maybe even some of this blue. If you have any of that in your collection, you can definitely bring the green. I think that will make a really nice touch. Here's the front and here's the back. I guess I won't really include this one. And maybe even, I mean, I think the black will be a little bit harsh, but you can definitely bring in some of this like tan color, tan, almost like craft. I think that would look really nice. Maybe even the browns that are in here. I think you have the ability to bring some of those colors in. And then it comes with this beautiful sticker sheet. They'll grow up in at different rates, and that's okay. Life is short by plants. Where flowers bloom, so does hope. Really, really cute. I will survive. That's what my plants say to myself, say to me. But no, I've seriously been doing some research and just, you know, just to try to improve the care. And my mom and my husband, who have more of a green thumb than I do, they have been impressed with some of my abilities to not kill plants. Okay, so I'm bringing in these, even though they're not necessarily the same colors, but just because I have very little of this collection, I have 3 sheets. This is what you see. I have the Simple Vintage Botanicals, and I have 3 sheets of this paper. And this is This is from Simple Stories. So here is the A side of this. I think I got it for this one. Let me just take a look. Yep, I think I got it for this side. And this is really, really cute. I can document definitely our flower garden, but I think I got it for this. They make really nice backgrounds. Here's this beautiful green, and then there's a beautiful pink on the back. I might just use up this green. That might be really cute. And then I did purchase these stickers. I'm more apt, I find, to use stickers than chipboard or I won't say die cuts because I tend to lean more towards die cuts before stickers. So, but I think I can maybe use some of these. I may be able to use some of them using that plant lady, but the blues are a little bit off. There is a little bit of coral, so some of these do have just a tiny bit of coral, and may be able to get away with some of those, like this one, maybe just to make it pop. But lots of green, obviously. So that's what I'm thinking about right now. But I can definitely bring in some additional colors to augment this. I believe I have printed pictures. Like I said, it's been a while. I'm a little bit rusty. I just wanted to give myself a little bit, even though you guys don't notice, I've been giving myself a little bit of a self-imposed break just to kind of enjoy the summer and have some downtime with my family, my friends, and just kind of get the creative juices right and wanting to return back to this. But hopefully you don't see too much of an overlap. If I don't stick to my regular schedule of the Tuesday and Thursday postings for the month of August, just be patient. We'll be raring to go by September, I am sure. But I do have some other just family stuff just going on, just family visiting from, during the month of August. So in the event that I can't do it, and work has been horribly busy. Normally this is my downtime, but it's been awful. And trust me when I say awful, it's not good. So I don't have as much, I haven't had any time in the middle of my week to do anything. So anyway, so if you see any of that, just know I'll be back. If I can't, can't be there for a day or two, or I miss a week or two, just know it's because of that. It's just gotten to be too much. But this is what I intend to play with. Hopefully I can make it work. If I can't make this one work, I definitely will just work off of this one. But I thought they were kind of sitting right next to each other in my organization. And I was like, oh, well, I might as well bring it in, right? I might be able to use it in the event that I chronicle our first year's garden in, I won't say it's not our new house because we've been here for a couple of years now, or almost a couple of years, but at least one solid one for sure. And we have finally getting some much needed love and care to our beloved garden, and are growing some veggies and all that stuff. So I hope you're having a great summer. I hope you tune in for my creation with these two items, and I apologize already for the glare. If you're seeing any, I'll try to bring it a little bit closer to over here. But that's it for me. Stay tuned, and until next time, bye for now.